bend your body forward, grip your ankle, maximum stretch your body down, little bit expand your elbows first. Now stretch your spine down, stretch this part more down, go down, maximum stretch. Now elbow close, little bit shift your body weight on your toes, lean your body forward, touch your chin, chest, stomach properly on the body, on the legs, maintain 1, 2, stretch more, pull this part, 3, pull this part more, 4, pull this part, 5, come on, little bit more, pull it down, 6, pull it down, 7, stretch more, 8, stretch more, 9, 10. From here slowly take 2.5 feet distance between the legs, little bit more. Now grip your ankle, yes, maximum pull it down, first pull it down, pull this part first, pull it little bit more. Now slowly go forward, go downward, try to touch your head on the ground, pull it, maximum pull this part little bit more, little bit hunch is there, little bit more, 1, come on, pull it, 2, stretch more down, 3, shift your body weight on your toes, 4, pull it down, 5, maximum pull it, 6, very good, hold, 7, pull it, maximum, little bit stretch this part, 8, lower back stretch little bit more, 9, 10, slowly, little relax. Now from here give me your hands, okay, maintain properly, okay, little bit just push your body forward and take your chest out, slowly adjust yourself and take your chest out, maximum take your chest out, maintain 1, 2, try to look up, maximum look up, 3, look up, very good, take out, 4, 5, take it out, 6, take it out, 7, take it out, 8, take it out, 9, 10. From here interlock your fingers by the side of your back and do TITIBHASANA. From here grip it properly, little bit more, grip properly. You can grip your wrist also, now. Now stretch your body, stretch your legs, yes. Now take this part little bit more inside and try to lift up this part, maximum lift up, very good, 1, try to lift up more, 2, very good, take your chest out, 3, chest out, 4, very good, 5, very good, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back, lie down on the back, on your abdomen, lie down, lie down, little relax, fold and unfold your legs and relax your hamstring muscles, another leg also, do it properly, fast, good. Now place your palm by the side of your chest, inhale and little bit do backward bending to relax your back muscles, little bit do backward bend, lift up your head little, don't lift up too much, lift up your head, look back, relax this part, try to touch your abdomen on the ground, touch your abdomen properly on the ground, straighten your hands, slowly straighten your hands, look back, slowly come back. From here come to the Paschimottanasana position, yes, toes should be straight, both legs joined together, knees together, inhale and stretch your hands up, maximum stretch your spine. Now slowly bend more, just keep your body straight, stretch this part, interlock your fingers, now stretch more, more stretch, only touch your abdomen and then stretch your lower back. Now slowly go down, grip your ankle, look up, toe straight, grip your ankle, lift up your chest up, look up, chin up, stretch this part, more stretch your lower back, lower back stretch, this part stretch more, expand your elbows, try to touch your chest and chin properly on the legs, toes toe stretch, and then stretch this part, stretch this part, stretch it, pull it forward, head pull forward, pull it forward, pull it forward, pull little bit, pull more, pull little bit more forward. 1 2 toe straight. 3, little bit stretch more. 4 5 6 7, stretch more. 8 9 10. Slowly come back, little relax. Place the palms on the back side, leg straight, lift up your body. This part, lift up, head straight, lift up, leg straight, lift up, Purva Uttanasana. Lift up, maintain. 5 4 3 2 1. Slowly come back, sit down, little bit spread your legs, take again 2.5 feet distance. Now grip your heel, grip, now pull it, and then back straight. You have to try to touch your chest and abdomen on the ground. Little bit more, spread your legs around, take 2.5 feet distance. Now pull this part first, pull it, little bit more, pull more. Now press it down, lower back, little bit, pull it down. Now go down, touch your chin, chest properly, and the stomach on the ground. Pull it, very good. 1, little bit more, pull it. 2, lengthening your spine, little bit, come forward. 4, try to touch my hand. 5, come forward. 5 6, little bit more, go forward. 7, pull it. 8, very good, press it down. 9 10. From here come to the Kurmasana position. No, legs straight, insert your hands between the legs, below the legs, yes. Now spread your hands here only. Now press this your chest portion downward, press your chest portion downward, press more, press it more. Now try to lift up your legs up, toe straight, flat, this type, stretch. Now press this part, press it more, just press downward. This there should not gap. Press it down. This portion, press it down. Press. Now from here, the back side, try to grip your hands, both hands grip. Little bit, keep your legs closed. Now grip properly. Now again stretch and keep your spine straight. Spine. कमर को सीधी करो. Stretch. Now lift up your legs. 1, stretch, toe straight forward, toe stretch forward. 3, press your chest portion down. 4, chest portion down, press it. 5, press. 6, press. 7, press. This portion press. 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back, release and relax yourself.